Hey everyone, welcome to my new video blog. So first of all, I want to show you the eyes I made. It's from my store MD Design. These are the color Sky, and it's called MD from MD Design. Bailey Katwa Eye Applier. So I have different colors that you can get. There's also a demo that you can try. As skin, I'm wearing Go and See Katarina 10. Um, so that was at the skin fair, but now it's over, so it will be maybe it's already in store or it will be soon. The lashes are from Lettre. It's the Catois lashes appliers. So that you can get it's with the numbers 1 to 7. Um, the molds are from Lara Hurley with the May skin that you get. So I'm not sure if she has it with other skins, but you can get it there. As ears, I'm wearing Lettre Pure mesh ears, and these are um, different styles. So you have this is the pixie one, but you also have the regular one. We also have this lovely hair. This lovely hair is from Lettre. It's called cat. Sorry, it's called Do. It's from Do. Sorry, it's the Medea hairstyle, and it's at the Black Fair that opens on April 6th. Then what we have also is these lovely eye rings. Um, so these rings are from Australia. It's kawaii animal rings. It's very cute. We also have this top. It's from Just Because. It's the daisy top, white color, and it's at Uber right now. Then we have this lovely jeans from Blueberry. It's called Lila Rolled Cuff Jeans. And it comes with a low waist sweater. And the nice thing is, now I'm wearing the one that is coming with the pack, but you can, on the back of the sweater, from Blueberry Lila low waist sweater, you also have high waist sweater. You also have the text. As you can see, I have the one that is already available. I do what I want, but you can also put every text that you want. If you love someone, if you want to put like "Don't touch my ass," you can all just write it down with the HUD. And as last, we have these lovely shoes. They are the rain shoes, Lola sneakers, Easter edition, and it's the group gift. So it's really nice. You have different colors, and it has little pom poms and little ears. So that's also nice, and it's a gift, so it's free. That's what we love, of course. Then I wanted to show you something else. The pose I'm using is from um, Go and See. It's Sweet number 1. She has really nice animations, also typing animations. So you should really check it out. I think I told you everything. The head I'm wearing is from Katwa. It's Katja. Yeah, that's all. So I hope